Good afternoon, class. Let us pray first. Okay, now, please pick up the mess under your chair. Now, please take your seat and be ready for checking our attendance. Who's absent in the class? Okay, very well. Let's now move on. Would you like to play a matching game? Okay, class, let's start to play a matching game. Column A contains the different components of a business plan, while column B contains the different attributes or examples of those components. You just need to match the correct description from its corresponding components. Are you familiar with the song Rude? Okay, we will sing this song while passing this ball pen. This is the ball pen from the front row to the back and so forth. And when you hear two taps like this, two taps in the table, the lucky one who is holding the ball pen will be the one to answer. It is all right? Okay. Anna is the lucky one who holds the ball pen. Clap your hands to cheer Anna. Anna, please write your answers on the board. Very good, Anna. Anna's answers are all correct. Am I right? So you remember now our past lesson. Yes, very good. We learned the different components of a business plan, its attributes and examples. Alright, class, we will now move on to our new lesson. Okay, class, I want you to close your eyes. Think of the different businesses that you have seen while roaming around our town or our province. Now, open your eyes. Who can give me names of businesses that you have seen? Yes, Ben. Please stand up. Yes, very good. SM Mall. Another examples are sari-sari store, hardware supply, water refilling station, and etc. There are so many businesses out there. The questions are, who are the owners of these businesses and how did they own it legally? Okay, class, our lesson for today are all about the legal forms of business ownership. There are 3 legal forms of business ownership. Okay, the first is the sole proprietorship. The second is partnership, and the third one is the corporation. Sari-sari store in our local places is mostly owned by only one person. Therefore, a sari-sari store is an example of a sole proprietorship form of business ownership. Do you copy, class? Okay. Well, partnership is a form of business ownership in which business owned and operated by 2 or more people. 2 persons have combined resources and skills. Any of the 2 partners can act as financier or manager. They can also share responsibilities and rules in the business operations. Understand? While our corporation is a form of business ownership in which business owned by 2 or more persons. Aside from the owners, many people known as shareholders are engaged in a corporation through their investment known as shares or stock. Okay. Can I share you a PowerPoint presentation about the legal forms of business ownership? Okay, do you see it, class? Okay. The legal forms of business ownership are the 3 types: the sole proprietorship, the partnership, and the corporation. Okay, the first example, class, is the sole proprietorship. The sole proprietorship ownership is a form of business ownership which is mostly owned by only one person. An example of this is the sari-sari store, right? This is the sari-sari stores that you will see around our cities in our countries. Okay, the next one is partnership. A partnership is a form of business ownership in which business owned and operated by two or more people. Two persons have combined resources and skills. What I have said recently, this is the partnership. Any of the two partners can act as financier, manager. They can also share responsibilities and rules in the business operations. Right. This is the example of a partnership. The corporation is a form of business ownership in which business owned by two or more persons. Aside from the owners, many people known as shareholders are engaged in a corporation through their investment, known as shares or stocks. So the corporation, you will see it from SM Mall, this, I will show you the example. Coca-Cola Company, the Apple Company, the Unilever, the BMW, Toyota, P&G, Ford, and Microsoft. These are the forms of corporation. Okay, class? Now, we will have another activity to make our lesson more exciting. Do you like it? Okay. Do you like role playing? So, we will divide the class into 4 groups. And each group will have a representative to pick up these role papers here for you to choose the form of business ownership that will be portrayed by your group. Okay. So each group will present a role play in front of the class showing the different types of their chosen form of business ownership. I will be using the scoring rubrics for your performance score reference. Okay, remember that class, I will use the scoring rubrics for your performance. Understand? Okay. Okay, good. Let's start. I will give you each group 5 minutes to prepare and 10 minutes for presentation. Okay, well done. Each group acted and presented their topic very well. I will now be announcing the scores of each group, and the best group will receive the highest scores of 100 points. Okay. The group 1 got 95 points. The group 2 got 97 points, and the group 3 got 96, and the group 4 got 100 points. Let us give each group a round of applause. Okay. Did you enjoy our activity? What did you learn from our lesson today? Yes, very good. Learning the different types of business ownership will make us knowledgeable in terms of decision making on what type of business that you are going to start. We can now differentiate the 3 legal forms of business ownership. Okay, class. Always remember that cooperation among members, working hard towards attaining desired goal, and patience in dealing group mate and sharing learned knowledge is a must. Okay? Okay, before the class ends, I will give you the assignment for tomorrow. Okay, class, this is our assignment. Number 1, choose one form of business ownership. The second is to give a name of a business that you know that uses this type of business ownership. The third is explain in your own way the advantages and disadvantages of using these forms of business ownership in the business. Okay, you're going to pass it tomorrow to me, and we will check who will be got the correct answer. Thank you, class. Goodbye.